In this video, I will show you if your Twitter notifications is not working properly, so how you can fix it. But before starting the video, I want you guys to watch this video until the very end so you don't make any kind of mistake when you try it for yourself. So first of all, you have to open your Play Store app or App Store, whatever you use. And now you have to search Twitter and you have to simply update your Twitter app if you are not updated. After that, you have to simply click and open your Twitter app. Now you will have an interface like this. So here you have to click on your profile icon in the top left corner. So now you will have an interface like this. Here you have to simply click on settings and support option. After that you will find an option called settings and privacy. So now you will have an interface like this. Here you have to simply click on notifications option. After that you will have an interface like this. So here you have to simply click on second option called preferences. Now you will have an interface like this. So here you have to simply click on push notifications, and if your push notifications is off, so you have to simply turn on that option. After that you have to come to your home screen, and now you have to long press in your X app. After that you will find bunch of options, but you have to simply click on app info option here. After that you will have an interface like this. So here you will find a option called notifications. So now you have to simply on that notifications option, and your Twitter notification will fix, and that is how you can solve your problem. So if you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks like this one.